My name is Tan Yuhao. Today I would like to share about my bridge. First, I want to introduce my member. They have Chong Javian, Wu Hao, Kaya, and Junyan. We want to choose this bridge Warren because it's very strong and nice. Thank you.
Bottle number 1.
Release it.
Oh, very impressed.
Yes, breast. Number 2.
Bottle number 2.
Not 2 kg.
Tummy tofu.
Laksa side.
Okay, bro.
Wait.
No. What the heck?
What's number 4? Bottle number 3.
Okay, bottle number 3. After 10 seconds, and we can continue.
Oh, it's working. Number 4. Bottle number 5 may be our downfall.
Bottle number 4.
How is this 5 so
Oh my God. Bottle number 5. Where's bottle number 5? Number 6. Number 6. Okay.
Oh my, don't mess up. Kaya.
So you can take up to 5 bottles right now.
Nobody can beat us. How do you know?
Okay, bottle number 6.